Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about my fall internship experience as a software engineering intern at Copart. So let's begin. Uh, so what does Copart do? Uh, Copart specializes in the resale and remarketing of used wholesale and salvage title vehicles for a variety of sellers, including insurance companies, rental car companies, local municipalities, financial institutions, and charities. It is a global service provider of online vehicle auctions. So basically, Copart provides a online platform to sell your second-hand cars or vehicles seamlessly. Copart take care of all like the verification process of the vehicle, damages and everything. So it is a hassle-free experience for the customers. So duties and responsibilities of my job. So uh, I was part of the uh, payments and billing team in which I was working on the Me Phone application. So as I'm continuing my summer internship in fall, so in summer when I joined the team, I was mostly involved in development of interactive voice responses using Twilio. So Twilio is like a third-party service which allows us to create our own IVR flows, and it has many functionalities like Twilio Flex, Task Router, Studio Flows, which we use and integrated in our application. And other than that, I was also involved in development of APIs in Spring Boot for our application. Like, for example, let's say I'm onboarding a new yard or a new department for a particular region. So the addition, deletion, updation, any data related to that yard. So I was working to develop those API which would interact with our database and perform the following CRUD operations. And the data would be stored in a S3 buckets. Then now in my fall semester, I was my primary task was to determine the estimated wait times for the customer in the queue. So at first, this problem seems very easy. Like you just need to predict the average wait times, right? But it's not that easy as it seems because I was dealing here with a multi-queue, multi-skill system. So to I was trying to like programmatically solve this problem. So like there were many challenges which I faced, and I learned so many new things. Like I was not aware of the queuing theory concepts and prediction models. So to like get a solution for this problem, I went to so many research papers, patents, and then uh, after reading multiple papers and everything, I came up with an approach which had multiple parameters. So for example, let's say there are like 3 4 customers, and each customer need to query something to our agents, right? And agents have their particular skills. Okay, so not every agent can serve a customer, right? So there's a global queue in which all these customers are standing, but there will be a particular queue, different queues for each agent based on their skills, right? So even though in the global queue a customer is standing at the third or fourth position, can have a lesser average wait time as compared to the person in the standing in the first queue. So using Poisson's distribution, I tried to come up with a solution, and which was able to like predict the estimated wait time. So for this, I used like the historic data for the past 6 months for a particular department, and along with that I used real-time data to get a more approximate and accurate estimated wait times. Other than that, as I told, I was involved in like API development, which was in Spring Boot, for which I used to write unit test cases as well, and used Node.js for configuring my application with Twilio. Yeah, career opportunities at this companies. company. Yeah. So as a Copart being a product based companies, there were like a wide variety of projects going on in multiple teams. So and like Copart is like up to date with new technologies and they are adapting very fast. So if you are looking for something new and challenging, then this can be a right place for you to work. They have like one of the best work life balance out there and have many company benefits as well. So you can just go on the career website link which I've uh, given it here and search the appropriate roles and apply there, or you can reach out for to me as well for referrals if you need aspect of your education at CSU that are particularly relevant to the work. Yeah. So as I told, right, I was involved in API development, and so whatever data or whatever yards data I used to collect means add. So this would be added into our database. So in my previous semester, I took database management system uh, subject, which helped me understand things faster as compared to others because there I learned about different crude operations, joins, ER database design models. So it was very handy for me. And other than that, uh, subjects like advanced algorithms and web systems also helped me a lot because in web systems I've learned about Node and React. So as I told, I was like a bit part of working with the front end as well. And for configuring with Twilio, I use Node.js and advanced algorithm like it gave us a basic understanding of all the algorithms and their time complexities, right? So while I was working on uh, the project to predict the estimated wait times where I was trying to design my own algorithm. So the basic concepts of advanced algorithm helped me there. Uh, Areas in your field which you felt deficient about. Yeah. So as I was involved in solving a problem to predict the estimated wait times, which involved concepts of queuing theory and prediction model. Uh, Also, I was using Twilio, which was new to me. So I would have been like, uh, it would have been much easier if I would have known this concept prior, because initially I wasted so much time to read about them and how can I use them, how to approach, and there are so many functionalities in Twilio as well that you need to go through, right? So yeah, that was it. And other than that, I think I was able to understand the project quickly and started contributing to the team in all the ways possible. Expectation about this position, yeah, so I am very grateful to Copart for providing me this opportunity was filled with challenges and pushing me outside my comfort zone. In the last 3 months I have learned a lot of things ranging from technical to interpersonal skills. Sorry, in the last 8 months, uh, the role was a pure development role, uh, which met all my expectations, and I felt very accomplished when the changes done by my me were deployed to production and will help the customer with a better overall experience. Thank you.